How to add TikTok link to Snapchat. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your TikTok link to Snapchat. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open TikTok and then you gotta click on your profile here at the bottom right. Once you do so, you gotta click edit over here right next to your name and you'll be redirected to the edit profile. And just here below username, you'll be able to see your TikTok link. So you're going to click on these two squares over here and your link will be copied. Next, you're going to go to Snapchat and then what you're going to do is simply take any snap. After that, you'll be able to see this clip icon over here. So you're going to click on this and then it would say that Snapchat would like to paste from TikTok. Click on allow paste and then you're going to simply paste that link over here. Click on go. And it would just redirect you to that TikTok account. You're going to click on attach to snap. Just wait for it to get loaded. And now you can see that this is the TikTok link. So you can simply position it and just send it to whoever you want. So that is basically how you can add TikTok link to Snapchat. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.